Guys, I'm in Jerusalem now, and it's the last day of Hanukkah, and I want you to see the walls of the city because it's a little bit different than regular days. Now let's see it. Happy Hanukkah! It's the last candle of Hanukkah. I came from the Western Wall to see the occasion, to see how they lighting the candles there. And we are now next to Jaffa Gate. Jaffa Gate leads to Jaffa. Jaffa Gate leads to Hebron. That's why the Muslims call it Halil Gate, Bab al-Halil. And this is the Hanukkah candlebroom of Chabad. They are going to light it in about 20 minutes, but you can see now the fortress that everyone who controls Israel use it because it's the highest place of the city. Today it's a beautiful museum, but let me show you the inner part of Jaffa Gate, because that is the Jewish part, and soon you might see a little bit of the Christian part. All of those people came from the Western Wall. You can understand how crowded the city will be now. And you're looking at the Christian quarter, decorated not for Hanukkah. You can see the Christmas tree there and there. And Santa will be to your left side soon. And I'm heading to the YMCA. Da-dee-da-dee-da-da-da. I'm not doing the same mistake that I did a few days ago. I don't want to go through the Christmas market because it was so crowded. A minute. Don't trust me when I say this part is a totally Christian part, and as you can see, the Christians and the Jews can live together. This is the beauty of it. Guys, I do have more than 21,000 videos on my YouTube channel. Are you going to subscribe that as well? Yes! Be part of my subs. Soon I will have something like 200,000 subs. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.